Welcome back, travelers. Today we're embarking on a virtual journey from Seattle's SeaTac Airport to the tropical paradise of Bali. But we're not just here for the stunning beaches or vibrant culture, we're diving into the world of Balinese wood carving. It's a craft as old as time itself, transforming humble blocks of wood into intricate works of art that reflect tradition, religion, and mythology. Get ready to be inspired as we explore the skills of some of the world's most talented artisans. Now that we've arrived, let's dive into the heart of this incredible craft. Wood carving in Bali isn't just an art form, it's a spiritual practice deeply rooted in the island's Hindu-Buddhist culture. Balinese artisans have been honing their skills for centuries, passing down techniques from generation to generation. The process starts with selecting wood, often from jackfruit, mahogany, or crocodile wood. Each type has unique qualities that influence the final piece. Then comes the initial sketching and rough carving, where the artist shapes the basic form. This stage alone can take hours or even days, depending on the size and complexity of the design. Next, the detailing begins, arguably the most challenging part. This step involves carving intricate patterns and features with incredible precision. For instance, the folds of a goddess's sari or serene expression of a Buddha require unwavering focus and a steady hand. Here, you can see just how much detail is added during this step.
All the mixed detail.
How long is this?
Like this one, 3 weeks. Yeah, this one.
Wow, that's actually a lot faster than I thought.
Yeah, 2 weeks form, 2 weeks detail. 1 week form, 2 weeks detail. So around 3 weeks finish that kind of.
That is so cool.
They pick a mass. They more the jujong. Monkey. The making of monkey.
So cool.
Ebony wood. More time. Ebony is more hard wood.
Look at that headdress. Oh my gosh. And even the details in the fan? Finishing touches, like sanding and polishing, add another layer of life to the sculpture. From start to finish, a single piece can take weeks or even months for the most elaborate designs.
elephant god. And nice material here, 2 color. What we call a hibiscus.
Oh.
Hibiscus wood. In the back is plain. You can see it's in the back plain. Modern. In the front, more detail. But if you want to take my carving, I do your best.
Now, let's take a look at the masterpieces themselves. These are more than just carvings, they're stories etched in wood. Here, we have Dewi Sri, the goddess of rice and fertility, a central figure in Balinese culture. Beside her stands Ganesh, the elephant-headed god of wisdom and success. You'll also find serene depictions of Buddha, symbols of peace and enlightenment, and even stunning renditions of Jesus, celebrating faith and devotion. Each piece captures not just the figure's likeness, but also their essence. Through the smallest details, the flow of their garments, the textures of their features, and the ways that they seem to radiate energy. Also on display are dragons, animals, puzzles, flowers, anything the mind can imagine, further illustrating the amazing skill of the artist to bring an idea to life. Want to own a piece of this incredible heritage? You're in luck. Details for each of these master artisans is right here on the screen. Whether you're a collector, traveler, or simply an admirer of great craftsmanship, their work will leave you in awe. And that's the end of our journey for today. From SeaTac to Bali, we've traveled across the globe to witness artistry at its finest. If you've enjoyed exploring this incredible craft, give a like and hit the subscribe button to join us on future adventures. Who knows where we'll be heading next? Feeling generous? Consider becoming a patron and get your name on a future video. Until then, stay curious, stay inspired, and we'll see you soon.